I'm trying this Dollar Tree coffee today. Well, I think it's a brand name. It's a restaurant that started in 1950. Most Fabulous Restaurant, Juniors. And this coffee, 4 ounces of coffee for $1.25 is not bad. I'm enjoying a cup of it now. I had some fried bologna and lettuce wraps this morning. Just fried bologna wrapped in lettuce with tomatoes. That's what I had for breakfast. And now I'm having my coffee. That's a very nice cup of coffee for breakfast. It's not too strong. It's medium roast. It's perfect coffee. When I was younger, I used to love the darker roasts, but since I got older, I prefer the medium roast now. It's a little bit lighter. I used to drink black silk coffee. I don't remember which brand that was. Was it Folgers? I don't remember really, but this is some very nice coffee. I'm trying this recipe that my cousin sent me. I will show you how the recipe says. And first I'm going to melt 2 tablespoons of butter in this mug. And then I'm going to add the other ingredients. Now it's melted, and I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of almond flour. 1/4 cup of almond flour. 1/4 cup of almond flour with my 2 tablespoons of butter. Next, I'm going to put in baking powder and an egg. In goes 1/4 cup. 1/4 teaspoon, not cup. And another 1/4 to equal 1/2 a teaspoon. My little egg until it was light yellow. Now I'm going to pour it in. And I'm going to give it a mix. Now, I've mixed it all up in there, and I'm going to put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. While that cooks, I wanted to show you what it says here on the almond bag. It says gluten-free, vegan, paleo, and keto-friendly. So I'm excited about that. That it's keto-friendly, and I can make bread with it. It raised up to almost half. It raised up to make the mug almost half full. Now I'm gonna turn it upside down on this plate, as the recipe said to do, and then it'll drop down onto the plate. Okay, there's my 1/2 of my little bread, and a slice of tomato, slice of chicken, roasted leftover chicken, a slice of bacon, and a leaf of lettuce, and I put mayonnaise and hot sauce. So that is my little sandwich for lunch. And the bread is really soft. I wouldn't make extra. I would just make the amount I want to eat, because I don't know if it will be as good later, but I know this is going to be delicious and keto friendly. I'm chopping up some leftover vegetables for my dinner. I'm sauteing them in some bacon grease. And I'm going to add some roasted chicken, leftover roasted chicken from last night. All right, that's my dinner. It's my vegetables and fish, not fish, chicken. My vegetables and chicken. And I put a spoonful of lemony on, like sour cream, Kefir cheese. It is kind of a cross between, the flavor tastes like a cross between between yogurt and cream cheese. It's like a mixture of cream cheese and sour cream mixed together. That's what the flavor reminds me of.